So I will be talking about the best way how to transfer videos. I'm talking here about a huge videos, eh? Just to be aware, a huge videos on your iPhone. By the way, I have iPhone 15 Pro, and um, I shoot sometime videos with really huge sizes, like you can think about 20 gigabyte or 40 gigabyte. So the best way I found to move it without really a problem, and also the program it's already installed on your MacBook. So image capture, you can find it here. Go right here, image capture, and you can have it. You can really just directly see it. So all what you need to do is just select this and download it. That's it. Or you can also multiple select and download all, or you can just like that drag it on your desktop, and it will be, of course, depends on the size, will be moved to your desktop. That's it. If you like this video, please let me give me like, share, subscribe, and at the end of this video you can see if it's moved, uh, yeah, the right green symbol here.